I love bags, and it doesn't matter what kind of bag it is. Started with backpacks, and then bags for firearms, and now I find that I love, well, ladies' purses. Why? Because they're useful and often very beautiful. So I've got quite a collection. Uh, Here's a couple of my Vera Bradley bags, and you can see I've got like a notebook, hearing protection. I've got a little Vera Bradley bag that I have a Bose speaker in, keys, wallet, uh, headlamp. Sometimes I put food in, do a lot of sort of home fix-up stuff, and this is for my personal things. And my best bag is a Coach 1998 flight bag, pristine condition, that I picked up at Goodwill. And all my bags I get at Goodwill. And so this is a recent acquisition. This is a beautiful Vera Bradley diaper bag. Just look inside. That's a waterproof fabric. But the problem with this is it stinks. It smells like tobacco. It's just awful. And you probably won't believe this, but I got this at Goodwill like for $2. The lady who at the cash register, she's very sensitive to tobacco, and she wouldn't even hardly get close to it. So I've always heard that baking soda can take out scent. So what I'm going to do is take this beautiful Vera Bradley diaper bag. I'm going to just completely dust it with baking soda. Put it in this blue bag, put it in storage for at least a month. Pull it out and see whether baking soda really does remove tobacco smells. And man, it does stink. I've washed it just really, really well, and it still smells bad. I sprayed lilac essential oil on it, and when that evaporated, it still smelled. So come back later, and a month later, and I'll tell you whether this works or not. Bye bye.